When you get hiccups, it can feel like a little monster has taken over your diaphragm. But did you know that holding your breath can actually help? When you stop inhaling, your body starts to accumulate carbon dioxide. This buildup can calm those pesky spasms in your diaphragm that cause hiccups in the first place. You see, when your diaphragm contracts involuntarily, it triggers a quick inhale, but that breath gets interrupted by the epiglottis, a small flap of cartilage behind your tongue. That interruption is what creates that classic hiccup sound. So, by holding your breath, you're giving your body a chance to reset. It's a simple trick that can turn that annoying hiccup fit into a thing of the past. Next time you're hiccuping, just hold your breath and let your body do the rest.